Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fish tanks for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tetra 29-gallon glass aquarium. When it comes to beginner fish tanks, more water is key. No, this doesn't mean you can just add more fish, but a larger volume of water will be so much easier to maintain than a standard 10-gallon aquarium. This 29-gallon beauty of a fish tank is just that, no accessories. What is ideal about this for beginners is you can customize all the filtration, decorations, and other accessories to perfectly fit your desired species. Yes, you will need to do a bit more research, but that's the idea. The more you understand about your fish's environment, the easier it will be to maintain. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Tetra Complete 29-gallon aquarium. If you are looking for one kit to get you fish ready for a lower price point, be sure to check out the Tetra Complete 29-gallon aquarium package. This kit includes everything you need to get started with fish fast. It includes a 29-gallon tank, suitable for a goldfish or some small community tropicals, a cover with built-in lighting, a heater, a water conditioner, a filter, an air pump and more. Essentially, this is the same tank as our overall best choice with some average equipment. This option isn't as customizable as some of the other options listed, but it will get you started. We strongly recommend swapping out the filter media in the filter for something that will last longer, such as this filter sponge from Hyponda, which can be cut to the correct size. At number 3, we have the FLAL Spec Aquarium Kit. All of my betta patients love this tank. It has all its filtration fully integrated with room for an additional heater. The flow from the filter is directed along the long axis of the tank so it won't toss your fish around. Many bettas like to take naps against the gentle intake that holds them up without damaging their fins. This is the bare minimum tank volume for bettas, so be sure to keep a close eye on their water quality to ensure they stay healthy. The integrated filtration is made to the high FLAL standard and will easily last the life of your fish, and maybe even the next few fish after. At number 2, we have the Aquatop Venti Aquarium Kit. When dealing with a shrimp tank, water flow is critical. Shrimp can be very delicate invertebrates and require a very low water flow. That is why we recommend the Aquatop Venti Aquarium Kit, which is run entirely on an airlift system. An airlift system uses the flow and circulation of bubbles through an air pump to drive its filtration. As you can imagine, this creates a tank with a very low filtration capacity, which is perfect for your detritus-loving shrimp. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lyphard all-in-one 110-gallon aquarium. It may be your first fish tank, but who said you can't go big? If you are looking to make a solid investment in a tank to last you a long time and suit a wide variety of fish, including large ones, then check out the Lyphard Aquarium 110-gallon all-in-one aquarium. With 110 gallons of swimming space, you can consider a larger variety of tank inhabitants and larger decorations. This fully integrated system includes an ample stand and storage cabinet containing a customized sump. In addition to the sump, the lid has integrated LED lights with a prop for easy access. The ultra-low iron glass produces exceptional clarity and transparency, making your fish easier to see and appreciate. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon